Sounds of the Rockies and Colorado Casino Nights is your one-stop shop for your high school's activity or special events needs.
We can provide you casino games, we can provide you with DJ services, we can provide you with video services, indoor and outdoor, we can provide you with additional games and activities, we can provide you with upscale productions, lighting,
PA services, karaoke, and much, much more. Sounds of the Rockies and Colorado Casino Nights provides you with true gaming tables, the same that you would find in a real casino, and always provides you with the best sound and light packages available. So please give us a call and let us help put together the best event possible for you.